Hari Om. So, in continuation with our Swara Yoga series, we today come to a very important practice, that is Bahir Kumbak. You see, the yogis of many thousands of years ago, they figured out that the vital life force which runs this whole universe, and of course, as also, is prana. The prana they identified, works in within us by entering through our breath. So they started realizing that if we can control our breath and go deeper and deeper into becoming one with our breath, and therefore becoming one with our prana, then we can get closer and closer to the truth of what is the purpose and how prana works in this whole universe. So, the Nadi Shodhan Pranayam are the series of pranayam practice that they give to this world, and we have been seeing this, the various stages, and we had stopped at stage 5, that is Antar Kumbhak practice, which is itself a very significant practice and should be done only after many months, or it depends on individual capacity. When you become completely comfortable with Andar Kumbhak practice, then you can move to Bahir Kumbhak practice. So, as usual, with Nadi Shodhan, 2 fingers at the eyebrow center, and then supposing you have developed a capacity of, say, 12 inhale and 24 hold the Antar Kumbhak, holding your inhalation inside for 24 seconds. So then what you should do for Bahir Kumbhak is start with, say, 6 inhale. So you will close your right nostril with your thumb, and then inhale very subtle, thin but deep breath in for 6 seconds, and then close both nostrils and hold that inhalation inside for 12 seconds, and then exhale through your right nostril for 12 seconds, and then hold after you have exhaled for 12 seconds. Then again close both nostrils and hold your exhalation out for 12 seconds, and then inhale through the right nostril for 6 seconds, hold for 12 seconds, then exhale for 12 seconds through the left nostril, and then hold for 12 seconds. And then, when you want to inhale, again start the second round with inhaling for 6 seconds. So, this is how you start your Bahir Kumbhak practice, whatever is everybody's normal capacity up to Antar Kumbhak. You must start with its half and then keep progressing and making it higher and higher. And as I had warned in the Antar Kumbhak video, again, I would like to reiterate that those who have heart problem, hypertension, you have gone through any surgery, hyperacidity, any chronic or severe health problem, you should not practice Antar Kumbhak or Bahir Kumbhak. Just the first 3 stages of Nadi Shodhan is good for you until you have solved your health problems. So, stay with me, stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om, Tat Sat.